slides we will discuss about the home remedies. So home remedies mean basically the ingredients are already available in your kitchen or in your garden. So you can easily prepare it. And some of the home remedies are available as a herbal supplements. So without any prescription you can just buy and use it without any side effects. So whatever we are going to display the herbal supplements, they will not produce any side effects. So they are purely home remedy based herbal supplements. So first thing, anemia. So in the anemia, to treat, so Karisalanganni Kere, okay, that's in Sanskrit it is called Bringaraj plus pepper in 10:1 ratio. I mean Bringaraj is 100 gram, pepper 10 gram. You have to mix it and keep as a powder. You can daily consume 1 spoon. So when we say herbal to consume in, the dose is 2 to 5 gram. Okay, any herbal 2 to 5 gram you can consume. So 1 teaspoon you can consume. So other all you know that dates, dry grapes and figs. So when you consume iron tablets, the patient usually the expected adverse effect is constipation and some gastritis. So here, dates, when you add dry grapes, it will relieve the constipation. So this is how it has to be prepared. Okay, it is like in India, laddus are also available now with this combination. Dates, dry grapes and figs. You can mix it in equal quantity. So without constipation, you can increase the iron level. Another important thing, in the modern medical system, when there is anemia, iron deficiency anemia, we just give the iron. Then the rest of the duties, the liver and bodies, they have to convert the iron into a hemoglobin. Unfortunately, in many patients it is not happening because for that mechanism, liver should be very healthy. So that part we don't give much importance in modern medicine, but in Siddha, always we give iron with the liver tonic. Okay, that's what the first one. Bringaraj Karisala is a liver tonic. So you have to consume both so that the liver will utilize very nicely the iron and give us help us for the hemoglobin synthesis. Suppose if you put in do it in the home, you can use Kadukoi tablet. Okay, these are actually we have some samples to see. If you want, we will arrange it to get it. So we can do that. GCSMR is doing that. So Kadukoi tablet is the herbal based iron. In Siddha we use herbal based iron. And Karisali Karpam tablet is the Bringaraj, Karisalanganni tablet. So if you consume both together, definitely the hemoglobin, you can expect monthly 2 units increase. So that even modern medicine also 2 to 3 only will increase. So without any side effects, you can improve your anemia. Second thing, nausea, vomiting. Again, in many times when you get this, immediately you go to rush to the hospital. Actually, you can try the home remedies. In many of the situations, at least 60% of the time you no need to go to hospital. You can get it after condition in the home itself. So ginger juice and honey, equal quantity you have to take. Then how do you make ginger juice? So in the ginger outside skin we have to remove it because it is considered as a toxic. So after removing inside flesh one, you can soak it, you will grind and take the juice. Then you have to keep the juice in a tumbler cup for half an hour. It will, something will get sedimented. That we should not use. The super and liquid should be used. So that juice, ginger juice and honey equal quantity you can mix, and half spoon you can just keep on drinking every half an hour. It will reduce the vomiting symptom. Recently, the researchers have identified the active ingredients from ginger for the chemotherapy induced vomiting, and they have demonstrated it works. So now our ginger is down to the drug development process. You can do yourself in the home simply. Another important thing is ajwain seed, omam, ajwain seed. So you know that decoction works well. How to prepare that? That is the grandma secret. So first ajwain omam you have to fry roast in a vessel, iron vessel. Once it is roasted, you will get the flavor, smell will come out because the chemical is released. That time you have to add water. Okay, then you have to again boil for 10 more minutes. Then you have to filter and drink. Then only the active ingredients will be mixed up with the water. So that decoction also works well. Suppose if you couldn't make that, you can actually keep warm water. It's same ajwan, warm water. I think everybody in the past generation, everybody must have consumed this warm water. This is made from ajwan seed, and the Madhulai Manapagu is nothing but the pomegranate with the ginger juice. Madhulai Manapagu. So you can just keep anything in the home if you have kids and all are pregnant women until the expected vomiting season is over. Then gastritis, urinary tract infection, body heat. So if suppose you have unexplained body heat, so if you have a body heat, how do you know? What symptoms you experience? Eyes will be burning, correct. Any other symptom?
Cough, cold.
Cough, cold.
Water in the eyes.
Water in the eyes. So allergic type of you can see. Some people will sneezing will be there. But cold will not come. Definitely the allergic concern. Pain in the stomach, very good. Urination, they get something burning, micturition. So it may not be always UTI. Right? UTI. Many times you will check there is no organism grown in the UTI, in the urine. But still, if you have repeatedly the burning micturation, then it is a symptom of excess pitta. We already discussed Vada Pitta Kapha. So now pitta is increased. There are organs in the body, directly they will affect pitta, like eyes, whatever you told, stomach, urine, urethra, bladder, these are the organs where pitta predominantly already active. So you, because of your diet and other thing, if it is exaggerated, then that will increase the body heat. Even excess sexual activity also increases the pitta. They will experience these symptoms. So many times you will have gastritis issues, gas issues, but if you do endoscopy, absolutely normal. They will say nothing. But still you say I have gastritis. Nobody will understand your situation. That is also because of excess pitta. So in this time, you have to avoid fire elements in your food. Spicy foods, chicken, these are the fire you will avoid. And you have to consume cool potency diets. So among the cool potency diets, this Nannari is the very best herbal as a home remedy. So Nannari means Sarasa Parila in other language, Sanskrit language. So Nannari Manapaga and Nannari Sarpat, all might have heard Nannari Sarpat. This was our ancient cool drinks. So during summer season, people tend to get the excess pitta, so they consume it. So now that Nannari Manapagu is available as a medicine, supplement, as a supplement. So this syrup you have to consume 1 spoon. It mixed with a cup of water and consume. So I advise in many patients, in the drinking water itself, only to bottle you add 5 spoons and take with you. Whenever you drink water, you drink this. So within a day, they will feel the relieving of the pitta symptom. So you can even buy Nannari roots. This is from the root, Nannari root from Indian market, or if you gone to India, you can buy. And 2 roots, small size, you can add water and boil it. After 10 minutes, you will get nice flavored decoction. Okay, that can be filtered and you can consume. You can stop your tea coffee habit and you can consume this as a substitute. Right? Many people struggle with the gastritis and tea coffee consumption again aggravated. They cannot stop. So this is the Nannari tea. It's the best substitute for your gastritis. So if you could not get the Nannari decoction yourself, could not prepare, you can buy and use Nannari Manapa. It's a very best herb. And flatulence and gas disturbance in the abdomen, indigestion. This is another thing many of the modern doctors don't understand. They will not give importance for this condition. We have no machine show any laboratory report. But patients are really struggling. And especially again the pitta type of food, spicy food, and some of other allergic chemicals like Ajinomoto or some other Ajinomoto type of which is not compatible to your intestine, that will produce this condition. Sometimes aloo, chapati, dal, these are the other food which will increase the gas production. So here, as a home remedy, mint, ginger, lemon, these three you can together, you can take a juice and add honey and you can consume, it will be well controlled. Other option is asafoetida, perikayam, hing, right? That you have to fry. You have to fry that powder, you have to add in the buttermilk. What you have consumed is buttermilk. So is it cool potency or hot potency? Cool potency, you feel cool, right? So in that you will add asafoetida, fried asafoetida, it will relieve the gas or indigestion fat constitute. So when you cook dal in your home, what you are supposed to add more? Asafoetida. It is naturally, right? You know it. It is our traditional knowledge, so you know. So these are the two practices you can use. Suppose you could not do it, and as a herbal supplements you can use this again warm water and bhavana kadakai. It is a chewable tablet. It is a chewable tablet, very good. In those days, our ancient Indian people used this as a pickle. Bhavana kadakai is a haridali pickle, kadakai pickle, herbal pickle. In every meal they will use this as a pickle. They never used mango pickle or many other pickle what they use. So today that usage has come down, so our Siddha herbal manufacturers, they converted it into a chewable tablet. So after food you can just put one tablet in the mouth, it will get dissolved. It is a very good treatment for this. Even constipation also will go immediately. Today if you consume one tablet, chewable, tomorrow morning you will feel that effect in the constipation. So this is another important supplement. Then diarrhea. So we know that when there is a diarrhea, it may be because of infectious, maybe non-infectious. There are many reasons. At least you, instead of taking antibiotic, you can try this. At least for one day you can try. Nothing will go serious. Many times the home remedy itself, give not many times. 80% of the people home remedy works in this. So what you can do? Buttermilk, and you can add sea salt. So this will give the probiotic as well as electrolyte supplement. So you can drink it, keep on drinking it. Every 1 hour, one tumbler, one cup you drink. So it will actually cure the diarrhea. As a diet, arrowroot you have to know. Arrowroot powder is available, right? You can use this as a porridge. You can prepare porridge with the water. You can add sugar, salt, or taste. Sugar for taste. You can add cardamom for your flavor. That can be consumed. So those who have chronic diarrhea like irritable bowel syndrome, IBD, you can use this second one, arrowroot powder, as one of the ingredients in your regular diet. You prepare dosa idli, you add this arrowroot powder in a considerable ingredient and you prepare your dish. So it is actually very good for the gut healing and the gut to prevent the gut leaking, everything. So if you could not make it, then Tayir Chundi Churnam tablet. Tayir Chundi tablet is from the buttermilk. Ancient probiotic we have as a tablet in Siddha. So Tayir Chundi Churnam tablet is available. And Oma water also can do. With these two you can use as a supplement. Then hoarseness of voice. So some people have throat infection or some even post-COVID, many people had this. Many people had this issue. So here we advise clove. You have to add a few drops of ghee and you fry it. Then you chew one clove. After 2 hours later, one more clove. So within 5 cloves, definitely you are going to get rid of hoarseness of voice. Then licorice, Adi Madhuram in Tamil, Esti Madhu is in Sanskrit, licorice. This is also available in your US market. You can add little bit pepper and honey. Okay, you can mix it. So you can keep this powder in the left palm, add honey, you can mix it and you can lick it. Or you can use some other way. So these two are the very best therapies. Even during our Chicago the seminar, we told this, and after today one woman called us and told us she had the hoarseness of voice and difficulty for last 5 months after COVID. And then after 2 days of using this, she actually cured. She called and told us. So this is such an effective one. Suppose if you could not make this, alternative supplement is Thali Sadi Vada. This is a herbal based after adding all the things. This is chewable. This is just like clove, it's a carrot, you put it in the mouth, slowly it will get. Then most cold sinusitis and snoring. So mostly it may be infectious or other climatical changes or any kapha increased for some people will take cucumber at night. They will get this issue. Raw onion at night, some people will get this issue. So these are because of the unhealthy practices for that particular person. So whatever they can try, red ginger, pepper, long pepper. These three together called three gadagam. In Tamil, three gadagam, one literature is there. So how three gadagam is important medicine, that's what that medicine is kept for the book. That principles in the mentioned in the book is important for life. So three gadagam, ginger, pepper, long pepper. Half teaspoon you can take, mix with the honey and you can consume, right? You can apply in the tongue and slowly you can swallow. It works well. And turmeric powder plus pepper together, you can put in the water, take a steam inhalation. It also works well. So traditionally you prepare rasam, right? You prepare rasam. What rasam you prepare? Pepper rasam. Lemon rasam. Sundal rasam. No, new recipes. Any other recipe? Polu rasam, very good. Anasipala rasam. So you see, in the rasam category, it's a lot of varieties. So among them, when you have this sinusitis, snoring, nose cold, you have to add vetilay, tambula leaf, betel leaf, vetilay. More you can chop and add more. So now the name is vetilay rasam. If you add thickly, if you have a plant, the leaf you can add. So thickly rasam. Mint rasam, pepper rasam, tulasi rasam. You can add this ingredient so that it will give medicine. That is the meal as medicine. So you can practice that. Suppose you find it very difficult to practice that, alternative option is, this is called the Neer Kove Matare. It's a Neer Kove tablet we have here. So you have to take one tablet and in the left palm you crush it. Add 3 drops of water, mix it, it will become a paste style. Then you can apply it here. Okay? And in the pain, sinusitis pain, wherever you can apply. Immediately, within, if you count within, before you count 50, definitely headache will go away. And people can sleep immediately. It is such a powerful medicine for these issues. Again, one nasal drop is available. Penis Thailam, it is called nasal drop. And every day after brushing, 1 drop you have to instill. And before bed also 1 drop you can put. If you find difficulty to dropping, you can drop the place that 1 drop in the index finger, you can apply. That is also advisable. Then you have to spread through the intranostril area. So that again works well. Even infectious condition also it works better. Okay, so this is a very successful treatment. We advise for our patient. Home remedy type you can use. Another oil is Bogar Tailam. This is a multi-purpose oil. So you can add 1 drop in the water and take the inhalation. In the steam inhalation you can do. Again, this you see here it's a ball type of drug delivery system, so you can apply here. It is best. So this is how it works. You can use for multiple ways. And the Thali already discussed in the last slide. Chewable tablet. So if you use these 3 in the home itself, you can actually handle lot of these issues. Then fever. So when you have a fever again, there are multiple reasons, bacteria, virus, many reasons are there. So commonly what grandma do in the home, they will prepare some kashaya and they drink. So grandma knew the formula and our parents did not know the formula. Some from the 10 ingredient, he knows only 5 ingredient reduced. Now in our scenario, we know only something chukku kashayam, something ginger. We don't know more than that. This is how the knowledge is actually declining. So simple thing, tulasi, ginger, clove. This you can make a decoction, you add honey and drink. Steam bath you can, steam bath mean you can in your, just in the home, in the cooker also you can make. Just open the vessel, you will get the steam after heating. Just you use the bed sheet and you expose throughout the body steam. you will get a sweating, profuse sweating, immediately your body temperature will come down. That's what the paracetamol is doing, right? It will just make the sweating and reduce the body temperature. You can use that. And Nilavembu decoction, it is very successful medicine even for viral infection. Viral infection is very successful. We use this for dengue, chikungunya, COVID. All the viral infection, this is very successful herbal. So it is a very wonderful drug. So this is very bitter in taste. The difficulties, I think many of you must have experienced, right? Nilavembu kasha, very bitter. So we have the tablet, Nilavembu tablet. You can just consume one tablet or two tablets. After some time you will get sweating. It will act like a paracetamol, as well as it is having very good antiviral property. A lot of research are there. So this is the best emergency medicine you all should have in the home. Then hair health. So definitely you may have a lot of your own recipes for hair oil. So virgin coconut oil, curry leaf, bringraj, aloe vera, hibiscus. Lot of you have your own recipe, you can use it. But again, as I told you, should know your body constitution, vata, pitta, kapha. Sometimes after preparing this oil, people will get cold. Okay, this is all you should know. Whether you are to add which ingredient should not be added. Is it suitable for your body? So it needs some guidance from the physician also. So commonly you can use this, put in this formula. Fenugreek paste, you can soak it and you can make a paste, you can apply. And after 1 hour, 2 hours, you can take a shower. So it is actually a fenugreek. It will helpful for your scalp care. Dandruff will go away. Your hair conditioner, you don't need to use hair conditioner. It's a natural hair conditioner, fenugreek paste application. So these two I will advise as a home remedy. And if you find difficulty, definitely we have Karisale, the Bringaraj based oil for hair, Karisale Karpam, Kadakai Matra, these two are liver and iron. So most of the time the body heat, excess heat also lead to the hair ill health, and the liver disease also lead to hair ill health, iron deficiency, so the hair will be affected. So this is the combo. So we advise them. Then menstrual diseases. So aloe vera is the best medicine. The Tamil name of aloe vera, anybody know? One more name.
Vankubari.
Vankubari. Kumari. Kumari means what? Young women. So those who consume aloe vera, she will be young women, everlasting young women. Anti-aging herbal. Okay. So this is very good for the uterus gynecological issues. So if you grow this plant in your home, you can take juice. You can consume as a juice. After removing the outer skin, the inside one you can cut into small pieces. You have to wash it. If you don't wash it, if you use as such, the yellow latex will cause diarrhea. You have to wash it 6 to 7 times. You have to wash it. Then you can keep in the fridge and you can use for many days. That's another thing. So all of that, even in the sambar you can add. Aloe sambar is in the village people practice every day. The cooking they add, it is good. So here aloe vera juice with the fenugreek, coriander leaf, ginger, then some sugar, palm sugar or honey you can add, and you can consume this every day. Then definitely many of the menstrual irregularities you can actually handle. These are home remedies. If it doesn't work after 3 months, you can consult the doctor. That's another thing. We are not against the medical science. But cinnamon bark powder with the honey also works well. So as a home remedy, our grandmas, they used to use this. If there is excessive bleeding, then the plantain flower, the banana flower, wallet is available. You can make a juice or you can fry and consume. Walaiku vadai also available. So people prepare different recipe. It is very good for to stop the excessive bleeding in the women. Then fried powders of nutmeg, jadikai. You can powder, you can fry, and clove powder, both mix and you consume with the honey. These both can definitely in small mild cases it works. So if you couldn't make it, then next option is kadukai tablet and pirandai vada. You know pirandai? Pirandai is a very good herbal for joint and bone health, uterus health, ulcer and piles. These are all the 4 conditions. You can use the pirandai So in Tamil Nadu, many people in the village, they make prende chutney. At least once in a week they consume prende chutney. If you could not make it, prende vadam tablet is available. Just consume one tablet morning, one tablet night. It will work for bone, uterus, ulcer and piles. In all the 4 conditions it works. Then joint pain, muscle pain, bone pain. So definitely after 45-50, everybody have to undergo these issues, right? So you can try ginger garlic decoction. Ginger and garlic decoction you can try. And the cleansing, periodic bowel cleansing, Dr.Selva told, right? Castor oil, ginger juice and honey. That also periodically if you do, it will work. If you consume, it will reduce the joint pain. Castor oil, ginger juice externally, castor oil 100 ml, ginger juice 100 ml, you boil it. So the extract of ginger juice will be added in the castor oil. That oil can be applied as an external oil. You can prepare yourself. So if you could not prepare these two, and we are not adjust anything orally, like Mudakartan Kirai, but these are very difficult to get it here, so no point in telling you. So you can actually, one Madaki tablet is available that contains the Mudakartan Kirai, many herbal ingredients, they will reduce the inflammation. Sangam perfume is the ponch, marine product, calcium supplement from the Siddha. So this is also we advise. Pirate vadana. For the calcium to be effectively utilized in the bone, we can use the pirate vadana. These 3 are internally, and this is the Kayatrimini oil externally you can apply. Anyway, most of the old age people will have oil, some or other oil in the home. We have seen that has some like physically doing massage, small thing, it's actually it's a placebo effect or beneficial effect. It is good, it works. It has many, more than 500 oils are available. Again, to choose which is best for you, physician help is required. Okay, so this is the one anybody can use as a home remedy. Okay, so I finished here, and we are doing in Manipal many such researches, and Global Center for Siddha Medicine Research (GCSMR) came forward to help to Manipal to give the fund for research, 3 major important research like cancer. We have very good drugs in cancer, and mainly we use integratively with the modern medicine. But we don't know, nobody studied the benefit, nobody studied when to combine, what to combine, how long. So that part we want to study. And the psoriasis, we have very good drug in Siddha. Without allopathy, Siddha alone can cure psoriasis. We are handling a lot of patients. And reproductive medicine, male, female infertility, this is another area. We have very good drugs. So these 3 areas, we want to do research, and the GCSMR is helping actually. So they are raising fund for us. Even in this, just I want to request you, those who are willing to donate GCSMR, you are welcome. The money will directly go to the Manipal Siddha research. Even the samples, herbals we have, if you buy, that money also is going to be utilized for that purpose only, not for anything else. So PayPal and Zelle is given here. Even later also you can contact this SMR officials, Sandamrai Madam and other people. Now I call Dr. Selva for the practical session. Yoga.